We'll convert scientific notation to decimal notation. And the number that we're converting is 5 times 10 to the negative 8 power. Now the exponent on 10 is negative, so that tells us that the number that we convert to will be a small number. And that in turn tells us then that we'll be moving the decimal point on the number 5 to the left. So let's start with the number 5 and write its decimal point. The negative 8 tells us that we'll be moving 8 places to the left. So let's just start doing that. We'll move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places, and we would place the decimal point here. And that tells us that we need to write some zeros. We need 7 of them. And now we have the conversion. We can write that 5 times 10 to the negative 8 power. I'm going to write a 0 in front of the decimal point just to alert the reader that something is coming after the decimal point. And this is going to be 0.000000005 in decimal notation.